Keeping your tires properly inflated is crucial for safety and fuel efficiency. In today's video, we'll explore the top 5 best portable car air pumps, highlighting their features, pros, and cons to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Buvaye QS002 portable car air pump. The Buvaye QS002 portable car air pump is a compact and efficient tool designed to make tire inflation easy and hassle-free. Its high-pressure capabilities, rechargeable battery, and smart features make it an excellent option for roadside emergencies and regular maintenance. This video, we explore its pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right air pump for your needs. Pros: efficient inflation. The pump's 20 min airflow and 150 psi max pressure ensure quick and reliable inflation. This makes it an excellent tool for emergencies when time is of the essence. Cord-free convenience. Equipped with a 5000 mAh rechargeable battery, the Buvaye QS002 offers true portability. You won't have to deal with cumbersome cords, making it ideal for use on the go. User-friendly modes. The pump features preset inflation modes for different types of tires and an intuitive manual mode. This flexibility caters to both beginners and experienced users. Compact and lightweight design. Its small size and lightweight build make it easy to store in your car, backpack, or travel bag. It's perfect for road trips or everyday commutes. Safety features. The auto stop function prevents overinflation, ensuring safe operation. Additionally, the built-in LED lights provide excellent visibility in low light or nighttime situations. Cons. Limited battery life. While the 5000 mAh battery is sufficient for most quick inflations, it may require frequent recharging during heavy or prolonged use. This could be a drawback for users needing to inflate multiple tires in one session. The Buvaye QS002 portable car air pump is an excellent choice for casual users looking for a portable, reliable, and user-friendly tire inflation solution. Its combination of compact design, smart features, and safety enhancements make it a valuable addition to any car emergency kit. However, users with professional-grade needs or those requiring extended battery life may need to consider other options. For everyday emergencies and routine maintenance, the Buvaye QS002 delivers on convenience and efficiency without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 4, the Eafc EG-216 portable car air pump. The Eafc EG-216 portable car air pump is a modern solution for tire inflation, boasting advanced features like rapid inflation, enhanced safety, and durability. This pump is designed to cater to a wide range of vehicles and sports equipment, making it a versatile tool for car owners and outdoor enthusiasts. Here's an in-depth look at its features, advantages, and drawbacks. Pros: rapid inflation time. The pump boasts impressive speed, filling tires from zero pressure to full in 3.5 minutes. This is significantly faster than many models on the market, including those labeled as 30-second inflators for minor pressure adjustments. Intelligent operation. The AI intelligent inflation system ensures optimal pressure for your tires, preventing overinflation and reducing wear on your tires over time. Exceptional battery performance. Equipped with a ternary lithium battery, the pump delivers superior endurance and longevity, outperforming standard batteries in terms of power output and durability. Versatility across vehicles. From car and motorcycle tires to bicycles and sports equipment, the pump can handle a variety of inflation needs with ease, making it an all-in-one solution. Quiet and durable. Its quieter operation and durable construction provide a more pleasant user experience and ensure the pump lasts longer under regular use. Advanced technology. Incorporating Germany's double pump system and aviation-inspired fan blades enhances both efficiency and reliability, setting it apart from basic models. Compact and portable. The lightweight and portable design make it easy to carry in your vehicle or store in small spaces, ensuring it's available when needed. Cons. Limited battery replacement information. While the ternary lithium battery is highly durable, it's unclear how easily it can be replaced if necessary, which could impact long-term usability. The Eafc EG-216 portable car air pump is a high-performing, durable, and versatile device that caters to a wide range of inflation needs. Its rapid inflation capability, intelligent controls, and premium build quality make it a reliable choice for frequent travelers, car enthusiasts, and outdoor adventurers. If you're looking for a portable air pump that combines speed, safety, and durability, the Eafc EG-216 is a worthy investment. While it might be overkill for casual users, its features make it stand out in a crowded market, particularly for those who value performance and reliability. At number 3, we have the Ugreen ET501 portable car air pump. The Ugreen ET501 portable car air pump is a versatile and compact inflator designed to make tire inflation convenient and safe. With a host of features such as preset tire pressure settings, emergency lighting, and automatic stop functionality, it's positioned as a reliable tool for both regular use and emergency situations. Here's a detailed review of its features, pros and cons. Pros: user-friendly preset tire pressure. The ability to preset tire pressure takes the guesswork out of inflating tires. Simply set the desired value, and the pump automatically stops when the target pressure is reached. Versatile measurement units. With support for bar, C, and KP units, the pump is adaptable for users worldwide, accommodating different measurement preferences. High maximum pressure. The 150C maximum pressure makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, including car tires, bike tires, and even sports equipment like basketballs and footballs. Emergency lighting for safety. The built-in lighting system, which includes illumination, strobe, and SOS modes, ensures safety during nighttime use or roadside emergencies. Automatic stop function. This feature eliminates the risk of overinflation, protecting your tires from damage and ensuring accurate pressure levels. Robust safety mechanisms. The pump includes overload and overheat protection, providing peace of mind during extended use or in challenging conditions. Portable and convenient. Its compact design allows for easy storage in your car or garage, making it a handy tool to carry wherever you go. Cons. Plastic build material. The portable design may prioritize weight reduction, but if it is made predominantly of plastic, it might feel less durable compared to metal-bodied alternatives. The Ugreen ET501 portable car air pump strikes a balance between functionality, convenience, and safety. Its intuitive design, versatile pressure settings, and emergency features make it an excellent choice for everyday users and those needing a reliable backup for emergencies. For its price and features, the Ugreen ET501 is a great companion for regular tire maintenance and roadside emergencies. While it might lack some advanced capabilities, its ease of use, portability, and safety-oriented design make it a solid pick for casual and frequent users alike. Next up at number 2 is the Carsun C3106 portable car air pump. The Carsun C3106 portable car air pump is designed to provide quick and convenient inflation for tires and other inflatables, particularly in emergency situations. Featuring advanced inflation technology, a compact design, and additional power bank functionality, this device caters to drivers looking for a portable and reliable air pump. Pros. Fast and efficient inflation. The Carsun C3106 boasts a powerful motor that inflates tires quickly, reducing downtime in emergencies. Its 15-second inflation capability highlights its efficiency for various inflatables. Accurate air pressure monitoring. With a precise air pressure sensor, users can achieve the exact pressure required for their tires or other inflatables, ensuring safety and optimal performance. Portable and space-saving. The compact design makes it easy to carry and store in your vehicle, backpack, or garage. It's perfect for on-the-go use or travel. Cordless operation. The large capacity built-in battery allows for cordless operation, providing flexibility and eliminating the hassle of power cords. Emergency power bank. The USB power output interface enhances its functionality, enabling users to charge their smartphones or other devices in a pinch. This dual-purpose feature adds value, particularly during roadside emergencies. Durable motor design. The all-metal motor is robust, resistant to high temperatures, and designed for longevity, ensuring reliable performance over time. Cons. Lacks detailed lighting features. Unlike some competitors, there's no explicit mention of LED lighting for nighttime or low-light scenarios, which could be a drawback for users frequently inflating in the dark. The Carsun CG00306 portable car air pump is a versatile and efficient inflator with an emphasis on portability, speed, and emergency readiness. Its precise air pressure sensor and quick inflation capabilities make it a reliable tool for maintaining tire pressure and handling minor roadside issues. While it lacks certain features like LED lighting or extended battery life for heavy use, its compact design and dual functionality as a power bank make it a valuable companion for drivers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Finally, at number 1, we have the Baseus CG003 portable car air pump. The Baseus CG003 portable car air pump is a high-performance, compact air pump designed for quick and easy inflation of car tires and other inflatables. With its sleek design, fast inflation time, and thoughtful features, it's an excellent tool to have on hand during emergencies or routine maintenance. Whether you need to inflate your tires on the go or simply want to ensure your car's tire pressure is optimal, this air pump has you covered. Pros: compact and easy to store, the Baseus CG003 features a compact design, making it incredibly easy to store in your vehicle or carry in a backpack. This portability ensures that you can have it on hand whenever you need it, without taking up valuable space. Rapid inflation. With a powerful motor that operates at 18,000 rem, the air pump delivers 30 min airflow, allowing you to inflate a tire in as little as 15 seconds. This quick inflation time is a significant benefit, especially when you're in a hurry or dealing with an emergency. Convenient pressure settings. The air pump allows you to either manually set the desired pressure or use the automatic setting for more convenience. The auto-stop inflation feature ensures that the pump stops automatically once the preset tire pressure is reached, which helps avoid over-inflating your tires. Real-time pressure monitoring. The built-in precision chip accurately measures and displays tire pressure on an easy-to-read LED screen. This feature makes it simple to keep track of tire pressure during inflation and ensure proper tire maintenance. Extended power cord. The 3-meter extended power cord provides ample reach, allowing you to use the pump comfortably without being restricted to one spot. It's particularly handy when inflating tires on the rear of the vehicle, where shorter cords might not reach. Emergency lighting. The LED flashlight is another standout feature, providing illumination during dark conditions or roadside emergencies. You can also use it to improve visibility while inflating your tires at night. Cons. Noise level. The high-speed motor is efficient but may produce noise during operation. While this is typical for most air pumps, some users might find it louder than they expect, especially when inflating tires for extended periods. The Baseus CG003 portable car air pump delivers solid performance, combining fast inflation, accurate tire pressure monitoring, and useful features like automatic shut-off and built-in lighting. Its compact design and extended power cord make it a convenient tool for everyday use, while its efficiency ensures quick results when you're on the go.